As your dryer works, it creates lint, which need to be captured, else can start a fire. So why should you clean your dryer? Well, I will show you how to clean your dryer and what are the benefits related to it. Welcome to MG Factor. Here you have benefit of cleaning your dryer. As you see, this is my vent which is outside the house. So I need to remove this and clean it up. As you can see, there are lint buildup. So I will gently work around. I will not push it hard. Just try to release the clip and remove it from the slot. Then I take a brush or a vacuum cleaner to suck up all the lint which is built up here. In this process, I realized that my duct is broken from inside, so I had to anyways replace the entire unit, which I will show you later in the video. So let's go inside to the unit and see the first step which need to be done for cleaning your lint trap. As a general rule of thumb, clean the lint trap before each cycle. Remove the trap, clean everything using finger and put it back in, and you are all set. However, keep in mind that if you use fabric softener in any form, either sheets or liquid, it can block the airflow circulating due to chemical buildup. Solution to this is to clean your lint trap with a soapy water and a toothbrush. Air dry and put it back to the dryer. And you are all set for the next cycle. Now moving on to the next step. In the coming step, you will have to pull your dryer away from the wall so that you have enough space to access your vent. Let's do it now. This space has never been cleaned since we bought the house, so I'm not sure what all surprises will be behind this washer. So we have a gas, dryer which we use here. Now as you can see, the floor is really dirty and the vent is punctured at two spots, and the vent which is outside the house is also broken. So I realized I will have to replace the entire stuff here. So I went to Home Depot and got the vent. This is an ever-built vent which is 8 feet by 4 inches long. And it comes with 2 clips and a user manual. This would not be a difficult task for any amateur to do. It's a pretty straightforward task, but we'll just walk you through how we can get this thing replaced. Stay tuned. As a safety precaution, always unplug any appliances on which you are working. In my case, I have a gas dryer, so I will go ahead and shut it off. Now let's see how dirty the vent is. Gently pull it out from the dryer. And you can see inside the vent all the lint buildup. I was surprised to see it's not that bad, but my expectation was even worse. This is the outlet which goes outside your house, but I can see because the vent was broken, so you can see all the lint which is right here on top of the insulation. So now at this stage, we'll definitely go ahead and vacuum. Now grab a vacuum cleaner and clean inside. You will be surprised to see how much gunk is accumulated there. At this point, because I had this opportunity, I will go ahead and clean everything, inside the vent, as well as I will clean up my floor, which probably I will not replace for another year. So I will try to clean the entire space. This is how the floor looks after mopping with the floor cleaner. Everything looks clean. Now let's go ahead and address the vent. So the first thing I have to do is to remove these 4 screws to get the tube outing, which is already broken in my case. This is the new stuff which I got from Home Depot. Same manufacturer. So I removed the cover and just cleaned up the entire opening. Gently push the duct inside. Now we are inside the house, and this is how the duct looks like. So I will try to put the vent on the tube. Don't forget to tighten the clamp here on the tubing so that it stays at the position, doesn't come out while the dryer is in operational condition. Now as you see, the both ends are connected, so we are good to go. Last step is to go outside and put the cover on the vent. So you see how easy it was to keep your dryer clean and in healthy condition. In the comment, let me know if you guys clean or maintain your dryer. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks for watching MG Factor.